cracked glass, letting in one star for me. Pretzel crumbs on the polished floor, no one's here anymore. Dust motes dance in the pale moonbeam, living out a silent dream. The cooling glass begins to tick, a secret signal, soft and quick from the darkness. A tiny sound, life begins to gather round. Skylight over the crickets, no one's closing us tonight. Dancing in the quiet, bathed in pale moonlight. Skylight over the crickets, we are taking back the light. No one's closing us tonight. Security light sweeps the wall, ferns lean in, standing tall, cleaning robot bumps the same tile. Stuck for a little while, abandoned cart, a silent ship on this lunar quiet trip. Cooling glass begins to tick, a secret signal, soft and quick from the darkness. A tiny sound, life begins to gather round. Skylight over the crickets, no one's closing us tonight. Dancing in the quiet, bathed in pale moonlight. Skylight over the crickets, we are taking back the light. No one's closing us tonight. A sudden shower taps the pane, crickets pause, then start again. Braver now, their song takes hold, the story waiting to unfold. The crickets, no one's closing us tonight. Dancing in the quiet, bathed in pale moonlight. Skylight over the crickets, we are taking back the light. No one's closing us tonight. A hopper lands a gentle hop on a pretzel bag, it doesn't stop. The moon climbs high, a silent plea, forever wild and free.